Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the water bubble on a fish. So you're just going to go to this island, talk to the mermaid, and you are going to press the button. You will need 3 resins and 25,000 fish dollars, I don't know, and then select take it, obviously. And then once you are done, there we go, take it, come on. There we go. And then it's going to be in your inventory. So open up your backpack and then you're just going to select the water bubble and you're going to equip it. And that is it for this video. Unfortunately, I cannot help you that much in fishing resin because it's a little bit difficult. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!